Hey y'all, it's me again. I just wanted to do a recap of my last video with the knife. As I was saying last week, this is something maybe you should practice with, as well as, at the gun range with your pistol, whatever you're using. This will go with you anywhere. Your firearms won't. They are limited. I do hold a second-degree black belt in Taekwondo. We normally don't practice, of course, with the knives or very many weapons at all, but as a weapon of self-defense, a potential weapon of self-defense, one should practice with whatever they got, access to. Changing grips like this, you can go from thrusting, slashing, into the reverse, into the ice pick grip, where you can slash, gives you a little more to work with, rather than just doing your basic stuff here. And it's good practice. It's just challenging. Hopefully someday get out of this lockdown stuff. Get with some people, some partners, and dry erase markers across the, with white t-shirts is good practice. I believe in practicing with stuff that you have it on hand. I like to carry a pocket folder, and yes, I want to be just as good with my left hand as I am with my right hand. So that way, if anything happens here, I got this, So, give it a try. Have fun. Be safe. Don't cut yourself. If you drop it, you drop it. Don't try to catch it. All right. Y'all have a good day.